framing, that wall framing is all about to come down. So this is all going to be an open space. The actual wall for this rear workshop is going to be 24 feet ahead of here. So when you walk in, there's going to be a little gap for storage. And then starting at this beam, I think it's like 12 feet of counter space, including a table saw that's going to be a little wider than the rest of the cabinet. On this side is just going to be more cabinets, but higher up, no table. I want as much space as I can get in here to just keep all my tools secure. So this miter saw is going to be mounted on the counter. Table saw is inside, and then right before the wall is going to be a squat rack, just because it's something I want. All this big old battery and the other battery that's just like that one that I just bought are going to go underneath, along with this 100-gallon water tank. So we'll be pretty organized. We're just gonna have some nice lights. I'm gonna have real outlets connected to 120 volt power. Shoot, that's pretty much it. It's just mostly storage, workspace. But storage is pretty much the most important thing, because what I'll be doing in here is cutting up 2x3s, cutting up 4x8 plywood, and that's pretty much the two main tasks. The rest of everything else is going to be built inside the other bus, but this is basically going to be a station for cutting wood. Yeah.